Go away. Don't follow me. Yeah, I know. Du bist doch schon satt, Schätzli. Ich hab nichts mehr zu essen. Ich geh jetzt heim, okay? Just chill outside. Gonna go up. Hmm. Gonna go upstairs. Oh, ja, schon. Ja, schon. Ist hier voll Fuck. Ich geh heim, Schatz. Stay outside. It's more fun. And I just spotted my favorite. Meow meow. Komm. Komm, Schätzli. Ja, I know. Komm, wir jumpen hier rein. Hm. Okay. Ja, I know. Ja, was ist den hier? Wie mache ich das jetzt am besten? Komm. Hey, Bro. Sister. Okay? Wo bist du hin, Mann? Eat. I suck so hard as content creator. Damn it, cousin. Let's weiterkommen. I always forget to create the content. Damn it. It's the other one. I said. Yeah? Yum yum? You're good? Not so fast. Fast. You're so cute. Wrap this stuff up. Yeah, come. Okay. Man, you are fast. Hungry, huh? I get another one, okay? Don't move. And too big? You want me to make it smaller? Well, that's the cheaper one, maybe. That's why you didn't like it. Try this. This was the Whiskas, a good one. Good shit. Hmm? You don't look well, homie. Hmm? I'm too broke to bring it to a vet. Sorry. Hmm? Hmm? I can just feed you. Hmm? Hmm? What's with your nose? What's up with your nose, huh? Hmm? Hmm? Tomorrow lay in the sun, okay? Then you'll feel better. Your fur is good. But your nose is so. What's up with your nose? Someone has to clean that. Hmm? I'll look tomorrow after you, okay? Sorry, can't do more. Too many cats. I'm sorry, Chelsea. Sure, I'm sorry.